if I should stay or be alone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Biography. Today we're talking about an amazing Instagram star who's taking the fashion world by storm. Meet Marion Sharree, better known as Sharree Baby on Instagram. This curvy beauty from Texas is turning heads and breaking barriers in the plus-size modeling world.
I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition
With a
says
whopping 2 million followers, Sharree's Instagram is the place to be for fabulous fashion inspiration. She's got 28 posts that'll make you say, wow, but it's her reels that are really stealing the show. One of them hit 1.8 million views, and another, a mind-blowing 8.8 million. But Sharree's not just about Instagram. You can catch her on TikTok too, where she goes by Sharree Baby with 197K followers and 1.2 million likes. She's definitely doing something right. From DIY projects to lifestyle tips and fitness routines, Sharree's got it all. Thanks for watching. And remember to hit that like button. If you enjoyed learning about this curvy fashion star,